To step into the world of Iranian cuisine is to experience a culinary tradition that is thousands of years in the making. Refined by the geographic crossroads of the ancient Silk Road and shaped by the diverse climates of the Iranian plateau, often referred to across the globe as Persian food. This magnificent culinary art form is not about the fiery heat of chili peppers or the aggressive punch of heavy spices. Instead, it is a masterclass in balance, patience, and subtlety, utilizing a delicate palette of fresh herbs, fragrant floral waters, and sun-ripened fruits to create deep, complex layers of flavor that comfort the soul and celebrate the hospitality of the Iranian people. At the absolute foundation of every single traditional Iranian meal is a profound, almost sacred reverence for rice. To an Iranian chef, rice is not a mere side dish. It is the ultimate test of culinary skill. The gold standard of preparation is a long, multi-step process that involves thorough washing, soaking in salted water, parboiling, and then slowly steaming the long-grain basmati rice over a gentle flame. The crowning achievement of this process is the creation of tahdig, a golden, intensely crispy crust that forms at the very bottom of the cooking pot. Highly prized and eagerly contested at the family dinner table, tahdig can be made from a layer of sliced potatoes, thin lavash bread, or the rice itself mixed with yogurt and saffron, providing a spectacular textural contrast to the fluffy, buttery grains piled above it. If rice is the canvas of the Iranian table, then the rich, slow-cooked stews known as khoresh are the vibrant masterpieces painted upon it. Foremost among these is Ghormeh sabzi, widely celebrated as the national dish of Iran. This deep green, intensely aromatic stew requires hours of gentle simmering to achieve perfection. It is packed with an enormous volume of finely chopped herbs, including parsley, leeks, and fenugreek, which are sautéed until fragrant before being cooked alongside tender chunks of lamb, kidney beans, and dried lime. It is these dried limes, known locally as limoo amani, that infuse the dish with a hauntingly beautiful, musky, sour undertone that is entirely unique to the region. Another legendary stew that showcases the Persian love for contrasting flavors is Fesenjan, typically reserved for formal celebrations and winter gatherings. This thick, luxurious dish features chicken or duck slow-cooked in a rich, dark sauce made from finely ground walnuts and pure pomegranate molasses. The result is an exquisite harmony, a deep, earthy nuttiness and a sharp, sweet and sour fruitiness that dances on the palate. No exploration of Iranian food would be complete without acknowledging the ancient and revered tradition of the kebab. Across the country, from bustling metropolitan street stalls to elegant family restaurants, the aroma of skewered meats grilling over hot charcoal fills the evening air. The most popular version is Chelo kebab koobideh, consisting of ground lamb or beef seasoned with grated onions, salt, and black pepper, expertly molded by hand around wide flat metal skewers. There is also joojeh kebab, featuring succulent pieces of chicken marinated for hours in a mixture of grated onion, lemon juice, and liquid saffron, which gives the meat a brilliant yellow hue and a delicate, citrusy aroma. These grilled masterpieces are served piping hot over a bed of saffron-infused rice, accompanied by grilled tomatoes, a pat of butter, and a generous dusting of sumac, a tangy, reddish-purple spice that adds a bright, lemony lift to the rich meat. To truly appreciate an Iranian meal, one must look beyond the main dishes and examine the colorful array of side dishes and accompaniments. known as mukhalafat, that crowd the table. Iranians believe that food possesses inherent hot and cold properties that affect human health, a concept known as gham and sard, to maintain perfect bodily harmony. A heavy, rich meat dish is always balanced with cooling accompaniments. This includes salad shirazi, a crisp, refreshing mixture of finely diced cucumbers, tomatoes, and onions dressed with fresh lime juice and dried mint. There is also mast-o-khiar, a soothing yogurt dip mixed with grated cucumber, garlic, and walnuts, and sabzi cordon, a bountiful platter of fresh raw herbs like mint, basil, tarragon, and radishes, served alongside briny feta cheese and warm flatbreads to cleanse the palate between bites. The journey through Iranian gastronomy concludes with a celebration of sweets and a deeply ingrained tea culture. Throughout the day, Iranians gather around the samovar to drink hot black tea, served clear and piping hot in small, delicate glass cups, rather than stirring sugar into the liquid. It is traditional to place a hard sugar cube between the front teeth and sip the bitter tea through it, or dissolve a crystalline stir stick coated in saffron and rock sugar into the cup. This tea is accompanied by exquisite pastries like baklava, fragrant with cardamom, or sohan, a crunchy, buttery saffron-brittle loaded with pistachios. For hot summer afternoons, the ultimate indulgence is bastani sanati, a dense, luxurious ice cream infused with saffron, rosewater, and frozen chunks of heavy cream, often paired with falude, a refreshing dessert of semi-frozen rice vermicelli noodles bathed in a delicate rosewater syrup. Ultimately, Iranian food is far more than a collection of recipes. It is a profound expression of identity, history, and radical hospitality. It is a cuisine that refuses to be rushed, demanding hours of meticulous chopping, marinating, and slow simmering to unlock its true magic. It is an invitation to slow down, to gather around a shared cloth on the floor or a large family table, and to experience a culture that has, for thousands of years, viewed the act of feeding others as one of the highest forms of love and respect. Thanks for watching.